how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is a super simple stir fry of chicken, veggies, and tofu. Check out the full video analysis and again, bye. This is just gonna be an easy stir fry with chicken breast, some carrots, bean sprouts, tofu, and garlic and onion. It's just super simple. What you want to do now is peel and make ribbon or cut or slice your carrots into ribbons using your veggie peeler, and then we're gonna cube our chicken breast and cube our firm tofu and thinly slice our garlic and our onion. Some that I already shave or make ribbons are here. We're gonna rinse it, and these I'm gonna just slice them thinly so it's easier because it's getting too thin to make ribbons. Now we're just gonna saute our garlic. This is 3 garlic and 1 small to medium onion, just thinly sliced. Now we're gonna saute them until fragrant. I added 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, and the chicken is about 5 skinless, boneless chicken breast, 5 large ones. Once it's soft and fragrant, add in our chicken. And we're gonna cook this until chicken whitish, halfway cooked. This is on low medium heat of the stove. Steam. Now when most of the chickens are white, add in your cube tofu and stir and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute is up, I'm gonna add in our veggies. And stir to combine. And cook until carrots soften. Season with a little bit of celery salt, chicken bouillon powder to taste, and a little ground white pepper as well. And your rainbow color carrots stir fry is ready to be served.